What's up, everyone? Dave the Data Dude. Today we're going to be talking about an introduction to between. What you can use between for is finding data that exists between a certain set of points. You have an upper and a lower position, as well as how close to those values you would like to get. So let's take a look at our data, and we're going to do import pandas as PD, and we're going to create our own data frame. And so we're going to call it df equals pd.dataframe, open parentheses, open brackets. And we're going to say column 1, and we're going to do just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So here we see that we have column 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all we have to do to make this work is we're just going to call a specific column. So we're going to say column 1 dot between, and then we're going to say what we want it to be between. So we're going to say 2 and 4. So we see that we get a series of booleans that says true, 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 false, false. So that looks an awful lot like our df.lock. So what we're going to do, so we can take a look at the actual data instead of just a list of booleans, is do df.lock and wrap that in some brackets and see 2, 3, 4, column 1. So these are all the true values of our between. So you can see that 2 and 4 were included included in the parameter inclusive. Inclusive equals both. Right? So that's by default what inclusive is set to. Now, if you wanted to get something that was just between those two positions, but not actually those two positions themselves, you would just replace this both with neither. So now you can see that 3 exists between 2 and 4, but does not actually include 2 or 4. You can also have the option of putting left. So you can do 2 and 3, because it's including 2, but not 4. And you can also do right, which includes 4 and 3, which is between 2 and 4, but not 2 itself. So that's how you can do, between on 2 columns, or between on 2 parameters. Now let's say we have column 2, and we're going to say that this one is A, B, C, D, E. All right, so you can see that these are 2 and 3 and 4 because they are both between. Now, if we would place column 1 for column 2, because now we're going to be referencing this number or letter column, and we say we want to know between B and D, and inclusive right. So what we should expect to see is the exact same thing as we have right now, and we do. So if we said both, it would be B, C, D. So you can see that the between works on both integers and strings. So all you have to do is just let it know which one you want to do. But obviously you can't do something like, let's see, column 3, 1, 2, 3, D, E, right? You can't do between 1 and a string. It's not going to work if you try and do something like that. It's going to fail. So don't try that one. But it will allow you to do betweens, both inclusive and exclusive, left or right, on the same data types. So like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or if there's anything that you would like to see, so that we can keep bringing you quality content that you enjoy. Thank you very much.